Hey Snowflakes, it's a beautiful fall day and we're going to show you some treasure. The guys went on a road trip and I ducked out. I had my own treasure to be found.
What do you have to say about that, by the way?
Well, I feel a little bad, but not too bad, because wait till you see it.
No, you should feel bad because
There's a lot of groaning over there.
It's not groaning, it's... We lost our friend.
We what? What are you talking about?
Well, did you watch the last episode? I assume you watched it.
No, I was busy finding this sled.
He went over a cliff, dude.
He's gone?
We could not find him.
Oh boy.
The fire department came. I dropped the camera and ran, and that was it. I couldn't see him.
I don't know what else. I don't know what to say.
Well,
I'm devastated.
I'm a little bit pissed because I kind of thought you would, if you had been there.
Okay.
But I guess we got to move on, right?
Okay, let's. Well, I guess the least we can do is have a wine and a toast.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Quebec, we spent last summer testing the 1971 Motorcy. And the things we did were things no one should ever try to do with any snowmobile. But we figured if it could take all we gave it in summer, it can take all you'll give it in winter. Motorcy, we're tougher 7 ways.
He said he rode it for about 10 years. To me, it looks like it's got about 30 years worth of miles on it. He must have really beat this thing at one point. I think he had a serious accident. The handlebars they've been broken and welded. The frame here is bent.
Oh boy. Well, wait. Let's focus first on the good parts.
The good parts? I mean, it's an OMC.
It's an OMC. We've got the coveted 309 single Kohler.
Is it coveted?
I think so.
Okay.
Here's what's really neat is that these stupid vents aren't hamburger.
No, they're actually pretty good. This one's got a crack on the corner, but other than that,
somebody tried to sell me
good shape.
Replacement ones of those for $100, and I just didn't go for it.
The only thing really missing here is the recoil. Recoil's gone. But we could probably get one of those somewhere. The gas tank's broken here, but the exhaust is like new. It's got one lame ski, but I think Gravy would have liked it that way. I don't know how you live with yourself having got with that other machine for free. This one's got, at least I got to put some work into it.
Well, how much did you pay for this?
It was free.
Oh, okay.
But
it's
a lesser level of free, I think.
Listen, you've got the coveted OMC toolbox.
Holy shit! Check this out. It's a tidy whities. That's so gross.
That's disturbing.
It took an experienced professional driver to make this demonstration. It took an ordinary Motorcy snowmobile. Motorcy, we're tougher 7 ways.
And so I asked, when I called back and started asking about it, they said it was a Starcraft with a Satches engine.
Satches.
Satches.
Like Satchmo.
Well, or how
Not quite as in tune.
how someone who may not know what a sax engine is would pronounce Satches.
Satches.
So I went and
That's actually really good.
it was 6 miles from my place.
Kick your rake in the Satches.
Nobody likes getting kicked in the Satches. 6 miles from my house, and while you dummies were driving 14 hours, I guess I was greedy and lazy and just went and tootled on down and picked it up.
Truly, how far was it from your house?
6 miles.
6 miles.
So a 12-mile round trip. And when he opened the garage door, this thing is sitting there. And it is not
It's not dump material?
It is not dump material. Now the engine's tight, and the drivers or the idlers, the bearings are seized because the track won't turn. But look at that seat. Look at the hood.
Yeah.
I mean, it's complete.
The seat is actually quite amazing. It's so soft and supple.
So it's going to need to get cleaned up. The tunnel's straight.
And I feel a little dirty using the word supple.
We don't use words like supple enough. But it's all there. Fiberglass hood, fiberglass cowling on over the engine. Everything's there.
And this guy bought it new.
Bought it new. And I got the owner's manual with it, with the original registration, the warranty card. So he bought it new in 1973 at Grosvenor Motors in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan.
Why do I feel like
On
the
H
warranty in those days was really hard to collect on? Probably just as hard, probably worse than to collect now, because he bought this in 73, correct?
73.
And this is a 71 model.
72.
So is a holdover guaranteed.
100%.
So this guy probably bought some liquidated sleds at his car dealership to maybe help draw people in. Now,
Honorable there.
how come your free shit is always 100 times better than the free shit that I get? I gotta put weeks and weeks worth of fabrication and cleaning and tear down.
I think this is the universe knowing what you're capable of and what I'm capable of.
So the universe gives you a hall pass just because you're an idiot?
I'm good with armor all.
Oh,
You're
God.
good with everything else.
Jesus.
Someone is claiming that this sled is stolen. Now, right off the bat, this is complete crap. The original owner and the son helped me load this in the truck. Now, apparently, there's another son who's laying claim that this was his and that he has claim to the sled and he wants it back.
Is he estranged?
I don't.
What's happening?
Now, I guess we should back up. This is all alleged.
The biggest thing I want to know about is the reward.
Good question. What is the reward?
Well, we should find out what the reward is. We should call. I'd like to split it.
Listen, if this belongs to someone else, I have no problem returning it.
I'm sure.
I am not in the business of stealing sleds.
You're not in the business of daving old ladies.
No.
Canadian Ski Patrol is responsible for the safety of thousands of skiers every day. So when they use snowmobiles in the Laurentians, they know exactly what is needed. Machines that will climb the steep slopes, have lots of traction, a dependable steering system, safe brakes, control cables that don't freeze, strong skis, dual headlights, and can be driven day in, day out. They know exactly what is needed. Motorcy. We're tougher. 7 ways.
Here's to our friend Nolan. I think he would have really liked this sled. He would have really appreciated the Starcraft. But cheers to
What the hell?
holy shit!
Do you have a dream you're dreaming today? Do you see the sunshine shining your way? Do you hear a song that sings inside of you? You gotta have a dream to make a dream come true. Learn to reach for the sky, for the top, for the prize. There's no such thing as impossible, no wall too high to climb. When you're feeling lost, just follow your star. Let it light your way when you're in the dark. Keep on keeping on till you believe in you. You gotta have a dream to make a dream come true. Learn to reach for the sky, for the top, for the prize. There's no such thing
We
as
gotta go back. Okay.
Oh.
How do we salvage this?
No, it's too early. You gotta go later. Yeah, about there.
Oh, there, okay.
But try to make it a little more real.
Let it light your way when you're in the dark. Keep on keeping on till you believe
You've reached the phone. I'm unavailable. Please leave a message. I'll phone you back. Thank you.
Start recording at the tone. When finished, press
That doesn't sound like a guy named Jim.
No, it sure doesn't. Hey, yeah, I was phoning to speak to Jim. I was wanting to inquire about the reward for a 72 Starcraft Escort snowmobile that's been purportedly stolen. I think I may have a hot tip on that. So if you want to give me a call back, just I'm not turning this thing in for less than $700. Just FYI.
Jesus.
Is that too much?
Yeah.
$550.
Okay.